This is the Ampere HyperCube. I got it through an email saying that, hey, do you guys want to take a look at this thing? And I thought, it's kind of intriguing in terms of its design and also the idea of having something that helps me sleep better, at least according to their website. So this is it. This is the Ampere HyperCube. Let's take a look at what this thing can actually do. So the Ampere HyperCube, this is literally what you're gonna get inside the box. Actually, you can get a few more things else. Let me just open it up for you. What's included inside the box here is actually a thank you note, and then this is an updated part of the included user manual. So a part of this user manual is considered outdated, so I'm just gonna leave everything here. And then we also get a pouch to carry the Ampere HyperCube with us if you want to do so. It's quite a basic pouch and it's serviceable. And then Ampere also sent us this, a 60-watt USB PD charger. I'm not gonna use this because I have a lot of other chargers. I'll just leave that here. So the Ampere HyperCube, what it actually has is an LED panel for lighting, and then these 3 circles here are Qi wireless charger, 10 watts each. And then this is a 7-segment display and it is really bright. That's all I can say. So what we can do here is to plug it in. So as you can see, there are 2 arrows on these 2 sides here. You have to plug in the inside IN space SIDE and then everything lights up. It's that simple. So there are a few ways to position this Ampere HyperCube. Like what we did earlier, we did it in a cube form, which is pretty standard. Everything is nicely fitted through, so there's a cutout here for the output of the USB Type-C port. So imagine if you got, I don't know if an Apple Watch is charging using USB Type-C, correct? Yeah. Yeah, so you can plug it in here as according to what I can see on Ampere's website. And then, now, I can also put my phone here for wireless charging. What's interesting here though is that if we are going to use it in a cube form, then, oh no, this cable of ours is blocking. Never mind, since it's USB Type-C, yeah, we can rotate. Plug it in. And then you can see we can actually take out this phone holder thing. Then we can put our phones here if we want to. The Galaxy Fold won't fit because it's too thick. But if you have some other phones, then yeah, it will fit. And then let's take a look at this panel here. This is the control panel, I would say. So we got a few buttons here, 10 in total. The first one is light. So the light here actually turns on and off this backlight here. And then the second button is to change the color, which we can do it really easily by just tapping on it to toggle between the colors. The third button here is to have some sort of nature sound to help us sleep. That is why this Ampere HyperCube claims to help us sleep better. Not sure if you can hear that. ASMR. Yeah, it is ASMR. And then the third one here is actually, I guess it's timer. I never really used those 2 buttons. Then here another alarm clock feature, timer feature, and then plus and minus. They don't really do anything on their own, but you can adjust the time by holding them. So let's see, what's the time now? Time is now 3:11. Yep, 3:11 p.m. There we go. Then music button. This is actually to set your alarm sound. This is the most typical one ever. So if I hit this, press play. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's technically everything we have to show for the Ampere HyperCube. But if we look at the bottom here, we actually have 5 more pins here that we can connect additional accessories. I'm not sure what accessories are available, so I'll leave all of the details on Ampere's website on the video here. And you can technically make some accessories so that this thing becomes some sort of pyramid looking thing or something like that. It's expandable. and I would say it's a pretty neat idea overall. But Ampere, if you're watching this, I have two things to say. Number one, please make this display dimmable. This is way too bright to be used in dark. My eyes hurt, that's all I can say. And then secondly is, please don't use this kind of soft touch material. I know they are a bit more premium, but over the long run they get sticky, and I'm not a big fan of this type of material. Actually, the back material here feels better than the soft touch material at the front. So yeah, maybe also add this ring here to be a bit more grippy so that our phones won't fall off. But so far I don't have that issue, it's just a worry that I have. And yeah, that's about it. This is a real simpler device, I would say. Simple-ish device. It does what it claims to do, and overall I'm quite happy with it. It's just that this display is too bright. So yeah, if you want to check out Ampere and this Ampere HyperCube, I'll leave all of the links in the description below. And oh, this is considered one accessory for the Ampere HyperCube, by the way, this charger, and it also comes with a bunch of different plugs for UK, US, and also, what is this again? Australia? Not sure. Either way, they just include everything for you. So yeah, thanks for watching everyone, and if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below.